Today is my birthday. Oh, hi, Sarah. It's me, Mrs. Simpson. I just wanted to say happy birthday. I have a very special birthday present for you. What about your mom and dad? Are they here yet? And your brother, how old is he now? How about your grandpa and grandma? Are they still alive? Do you have a cake? Oh, I bet you do. It's your birthday. Oh, speaking about cake, I remember...
Thanks, Mrs. Simpson.
What a beautiful birthday present. I wonder what's inside.
5 minutes later. Hi.
Oh, hold on.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Thank you, Mom.
Sarah, I decorated for your birthday. Can you see it? Wow, Mom. That's great. Thank you.
Hi, Sarah. Happy birthday.
Hi, Dad.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Is that my sister?
Hello, Karen.
Thanks, Aunt Mary and Uncle Frank.
Oh, look. Sammy wants to say hello, too.
Oh, cute. It's Sammy the Dog. Hi, Sammy.
Wait, Sarah. Where's your brother?
He's on the call, Mom, playing video games again.
Oh, hi, Tommy. Wish your sister a happy birthday.
I'm busy, Mom.
Tommy,
What?
wish your sister a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis.
Are your Aunt Mary and Uncle Frank still here? I can't see them.
I don't know. The dog Sammy is still here. And Grandma, but she's on mute. Grandma, we can't hear you. Please press the red microphone button.
Grandma, can you hear us?
Oh dear, I'm too old for this. Grandma, we can hear you now.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Oh. Happy birthday, sweetie. Thank you, Grandma. Look at my birthday present. Oh, wonderful.
Very nice.
Oh, wonderful. That's good.
Cool.
What is Sammy the Dog doing?
Hey, look at the cake I made.
Oh, I hope it's chocolate.
Did you bake the cake yourself?
Oh, I can't have cake because of my diabetes.
Yes, Mom. I baked the cake myself.
All right, everyone. It's time to leave Sarah alone. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Five minutes later.
I got a box full of socks.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.